This tutorial is going to discuss Moodle. Moodle is the main course page where you're going to access all of your classrooms. I recommend bookmarking this page, learn.americansentinel.edu, as you will be navigating here quite often to not only access your courses, but also to find a lot of wonderful resources. For example, you'll see shared course content. Although this has a lot of information for all programs in the university, you may not visit this one that often. The library, which is where you'll go to find many articles and other helpful resources for writing your assignments. The Student Center, which will take you to areas that are helpful for webinars, which will give really great tutorials over things like Grammarly, Turnitin, or perhaps VoiceThread. And also when you get to graduation stage, some graduation information. We also have a link to the Writing Center with lots of helpful resources to help you with your writing. And most importantly for the DMP students, we have the DMP Student and Faculty Lounge. This is unique to the DMP program as it has a lot of wonderful resources that will help you with your capstone and other parts of your program. In addition, I'd like to highlight the Discussion Forum, which is a more general forum where you can just communicate with your peers and other professors about more general information and inspirational encouragement, just a more relaxed forum to be communicating with your peers. You'll also see on the left-hand side 3 boxes, Navigation, Administration, and the Monthly Events Calendar. You'll see that the navigation is very similar to the exact same links you'll see on the right-hand side, and the administration is where it will take you to edit your profile, which I will discuss more in a separate video. Since a lot of this information is duplicated from over here, you can always hide this by clicking on the left button, and it will dump it to the side menu bar. If you want to open them again, you can navigate to your course from here, or you can expand it back out so that it will be showing up on the right side of your page again by clicking that right button. On the top of the page, you'll see some extra links for student services, more general stuff about emailing the registrar, technical support, or academic advisor, another link to the library, and also a link to email the librarian. So if you're having any difficulties finding articles, this is a very wonderful tool to use. The textbooks, which is a link to the student site where that information is housed. Many resources such as guides for Turnitin, Grammarly, and APA. My Grades, which again will link you to the student site because that's where your grades will be housed. And Mora, which is just an Autobot where you can ask some questions that she may be able to answer. On the right-hand side of the page, you're also going to see more options. Starfish, which is not currently utilized, but stay tuned for more in the future. Messaging, if you wanted to message with your professor or other peers. Live chat, information of what's happening, and also most importantly, Moodle support. So if you're having any technical problems with Moodle, simply click on the Course Support Center. Many common answers are actually going to be here over on the left-hand side, so I recommend looking through here first because you may be able to find an immediate answer that way. But if you're still struggling or something's still not working, you can either call the call center between Monday and Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., and that's Mountain Time, or you can open a ticket so you can submit your problem and then they can get back to you if it's outside of the call hour times.